Manufacturers face an inescapable reality. The future isn't a single path. It's a complex web of possibilities. The journey is filled with twists and turns. Inflation may rise or settle. Tariffs could shift global trade overnight. Supply chains might fragment into regional networks. Labor shortages could persist or evolve. Demand may dwindle or explode. One thing is clear. If the future will be different, but you don't know how, the best thing you can do is build the capacity to adapt. Because it's not the biggest companies that will succeed. It's the most adaptive. That's where QAD comes in. We help manufacturers break free from the inertia, empowering them to optimize efficiency, resilience, and agility. These are the pillars of delivering on the promises you make to your customers. Success today requires more than just insight. It's not enough to know what happened yesterday or even what's happening now. Manufacturers need to see what's coming, anticipate the unknown, and act before the storm hits. This is where QAD applies its pragmatic approach to artificial intelligence and generative artificial intelligence. Through QAD, Champion in Process Intelligence, we help transform raw data into actionable insights and predictive foresight. It's not just a means to track what's already gone wrong. It's a capability to simulate what could happen next. It's the difference between reacting to change and leading through it. It's also about more than software and technology. Success is driven by people. Every manufacturer knows that machines don't solve problems. People do. That's why we focus on empowering the workforce. When you engage your team with real-time insights, collaboration, and ownership and empowerment, the results are extraordinary. Higher productivity, lower turnover, and teams that thrive under pressure. Your people are your greatest asset. Equip them to adapt. And they won't just keep up, they'll push you ahead, because when your workforce is engaged, your business is unstoppable. Efficiency isn't doing things faster. It's about doing the right things at the right time with the least waste. Resilience isn't just surviving disruption, it's thriving in its aftermath. And agility, it's not just about speed, it's about being unshakable in the face of change. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the keys to creating an adaptive enterprise, one that doesn't just survive the future, but shapes it. QAD isn't just about software. We help manufacturers deliver what matters most when it matters most. Because manufacturing isn't just about making things, it's about creating value, building resilience, and seizing opportunity in an ever-changing world. So join us, because at QAD, we're here to help you deliver the right product at the right price at the right time. Let's shape the future of manufacturing together.